Alright, here we go, Old Man Reviews. I am the old man in question. And working my way through Spider-Man, and this level I have really upset the police this time. To the point where they're so upset that they're willing to cause millions of dollars of damage. And then you got me assaulting them, so can't say I'm completely innocent in that. I mean, though, we'll get legal on the phone and find out if assaulting an officer as they're attacking you, that's actually assault or if that is self-defense. Alright, so up we go. Sure hope that it's got a keep out sign on it. They're blowing it up. The way they're blowing it up, sure hope it's abandoned. Ah, the sniper. Oops. Missed. Oh, should have moved.
Almost there.
Alright. Love that zip line at the end of that level.
I'm innocent.
Then why do you wear a mask? Ooh. That should have been better. Alright, so I take a couple shots as I
Move it.
Billy Cub set up there. Nice. Alright, and in that crane to the right is a nice little surprise for me.
Gee, I wonder who those pumpkin bombs belong to.
Alright, let's get out and... Alright, so this provides me with a little extra protection for a little while. And I'm not doing like a major speed run, but I am looking for efficiency here. Probably makes going in here not the best place to go. Now, not wanting to say anything bad about the cops, but that hay sounded an awful lot like the thugs I had to deal with earlier.
Whoa!
He always says whoa after it's already jumped off. Must be programmed in that way. Alright. Nowhere to go but up.
Nowhere to go but up.
So, in case you're wondering, I have played before, so I know some of the lines. Ooh, almost missed that. Yeah, great sniper, not knowing where I went to. And what vehicle is he in that he can just have the ability to
How tall is this
move
thing?
around like that? I mean, that's pretty... Can he get under there? Almost. And I should just have the helicopter do all the shooting. I mean, the sniper is pretty worthless. But I just said that. Alright, and... Alright, and then a cutscene.
Looks like that crate's the only way out.
And we're back. No health needed. Oh. Did not plan on going up that high, but it worked. Because when you drop down like that, you're in such tough conditions with the helicopter shooting across there. Right here? Don't know what that was that they blew up there, but...
Move it, move it, move it!
Oh. Alright, not too bad. Let's see now. Yeah, well. Maybe it was that pork and donuts billboard that you destroyed.
These guys are relentless.
Old man already exists. Now it's time to use some of that agility. Second police helicopter of the day. Alright, so this is setting us up for Venom. Alright, so that sets us up for the Venom stuff. This next stuff is just setting us up for the next level, which is pretty short, relevant to the story just because of what happens after that level. Although the Venom, or the, it's an awesome laugh. Rhino level really is pretty quick. And this is for the last time.